Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide repost on TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, when we go ahead over to our profile, we have the repost section. Okay. When you have a ton of videos right here, you can just go ahead and unrepost them or delete the videos or repost here in this section. Now, I'm going to go ahead and to be totally honest with you. TikTok right here doesn't have the feature to hide or make your repost private to all of the people, but you can make your account private and only your friends on TikTok will be able to see all of your reposted videos right here. Okay, or all of your repost. So how do we do that? Just go ahead over to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on settings and privacy. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and go to privacy once more. Now make your account private right here by turning on this slider. Okay, it says here, with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. And that is it. As of today, that is the only thing that we can do. Okay, but if you want to, you can go ahead and report this one to TikTok support. Okay, by just going back and scroll all the way down and just tap on support and tell them, all right, that you don't like this feature. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.